In 1959, when Louise Nevelson was 60 years old, she created her first white installation. That project was called Dawn's Wedding Feast, and it debuted at the Museum of Modern Art. She was in the exhibition with artists who were really rallying against the orthodoxy of the Abstract Expressionist movement. Jasper Johns was in that show. He was 29 years old. Ellsworth Kelly was 36. Robert Rauschenberg was 34, and Frank Stella was 23. Louise Nevelson was the woman in that exhibition, and she was 60 years old, and that was her first foray into white, creating white sculptural environments. And this chapel came after that work, and it came as part of her investigation of using monochromatic white for her installations.